Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Heading to our transport location where we are gonna pack our bikes and ship them back to Hyderabad. So we are not riding them back to Hyderabad all the way, as I said in the earlier video. In case you're new to this channel, check out this North India Ride series. The link's here. Don't want to miss this. There are quite a few interesting shots. And I've tried doing something new. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We're like 23 minutes from this shipping location. Based on how the shipping goes, I might take either one or both of my pannier bags because they are soft. I can lock them, but I just feel like anyway 15 kilos है checked baggage का limit. So Air India का 25 है. So I can probably take both together if it's Air India. We didn't book flight tickets today because we want to see how long this would take. We're not gonna stay all the way. We'll probably just hand over the bikes, see one or two being packed, and then take it from there. I think these are the trucks. Chalo, let's pack the bikes and take it from there. We're leaving the bikes here. The carts will take at least 2-3 hours to come here. They'll put these in carts and then load it into the truck maybe tonight or tomorrow. There's no point of us waiting here. We'll just book the cab now and head to the airport.
5 hours later.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hey. ఏంటది ఎప్పుడు
అంటే చికెన్ బర్గర్
వేర్ ఇస్ మై రసగుల్లా
గ్యాప్ లో
అర్థమైంది కలుద్దాం 24 hours లో కలుద్దాం
డన్.
Last night, by the time I reached home, it was almost 11:30. Was so tired, just came home and slept. Chit-chatted with the family members for a while and dozed off. We still have no update on what happened with the bikes. We left the bikes and the car and the crates haven't come yet. The last update we have is the material for making the crates is done and is at this location of the bikes. So the carpenter has to come, put it around the bikes, load the bikes inside the crates, and then a forklift will come and put it in a truck. So that work, the major work where the carpenter assembles the crate, is still to be done. I am not sure how the quality of the work would be, touch wood, but it's a gamble that we have taken and we have to live with it. Good thing is back home and it's so damn hot, man. First thing I need to do is the AC in my bedroom is not working. We haven't used it in 6-7 months, so need to replace that today. Lot of works today. One good thing is I checked my weight today. Have only put on 1 kilo after eating so much of junk food for 15 days, which is a good sign. We're maintaining the weight balance. Need to get down a lot more though, because my target was to lose at least 5 to 6 kilos and lost 2, gained 1 in the middle and then 1 in the trip. So need to get that back first again. I got this entire bag in the checked baggage, the helmet, the tank bag and a backpack. So these are the things that you are allowed. I checked in this baggage. This was around 10 kilos. I could have gotten the other bag too. It's just that you have to pay like 750 extra for that. In the terms and conditions of the flight, they said only one bag is allowed. So I thought they wouldn't allow one more bag, but they do. So should I have gotten the other pannier too? But it's with the bike. Anyway, no valuables there. Just riding gear and all. I mean, valuable, but not as valuable as electronics and all. Oh, I got few couriers by the way, and I'm hoping it's the Xbox. You remember the Xbox excitement that I got while I was in Bikaner? So that's the courier. I'm hoping it's the Xbox. Let's open it and see. Unbox time. Unboxing this felt so good, and it was a big surprise when I came in. There was a huge box lying around and I didn't know what it was, and when I opened it, it brought a big smile on my face. Thank you Taco Bell India, thank you Microsoft for sending this across, and I entered that contest by chance. I'm sure a lot of you must have also entered the similar contest and thought this happens once in a million. For me it was definitely by chance, even because me and my wife were in the mall. I'm a big fan of Taco Bell, not now, since almost 10 to 12 years. When I was in US for my masters, I remember we used to be fulfilled with the dinner at Taco Bell with just $1.7 ka chalupa. At that time, for me, that was a fulfilling dinner. Taco Bell has been with me since then, and for all those meals that I had, it's nice to get an Xbox. So download the app, check out Taco Bell. Their food is amazing. In fact, I think in one of the malls, on the wall, you would see me and my Manogna's photo, because we were one of the first customers in that Taco Bell store. So always big fans of Taco Bell. Eager to unbox it and use it. Just waiting for Managna to come back home and we'll figure it out. Originally I wanted the PS5, but I was not in a hurry. I thought I'll do it slowly. PS5 is not available in stock. It's gonna take time. Even Xbox is not available in stock. All my friends, Chaitanya, Pranav, Shrujan, they have PS5, so they're still even now convincing me to get a PS5. So we'll see. And me and Manogna are not serious gamers. We are very casual. In fact, probably Manogna plays a lot more than me on her phone. I play very rarely when I'm super bored. I used to own a PS3 before, and I played on it seriously for 6 months, and it took so much of my time that I got addicted to it, and that's when I realized it's not good for me. Thing is, it's hard to control when you're on these high quality, high definition games on the big screen, that too. On the phone, you'll probably get bored in half an hour or 1 hour. I was on the fence of whether even getting the PS5. Eventually, this happened, and there's a big surprise. So we have to see if I would do justice to this. Me and Managna decided to get the PS5 whenever it comes in stock, but we were not 100% sure about it. Now we are in a big dilemma because Xbox wasn't in system and I don't know anything about it. I don't know the technicals, I don't know the performance bits and all. Chaitanya did an extensive comparison, and eventually Chaitanya, Srijan and Pranav, they got the PS5 because they think that's a better system. But just happy to get this and happy to win it in a contest. Eagerly excited to open this. I think from what I read online, if you have previous Xbox games or if you are into that PC game system, maybe this is good choice. As of now, what matters is we won a contest for the first time. Like, you see that? That makes me very proud to see the name there. And it happens very rarely here. We'll do a dedicated unboxing and installation later on. So for now, it's just wanted to unbox to you and show you the surprise. And I'm sure a lot of you must have enjoyed this. Chalo, we got some work to do, and we'll catch you guys in a while. AirPods Pro. What, right? Look at Sriman's diet. Hi Shiva. హాయ్ చైతన్య.
అరే మనం చెప్పుకోలే ఇంకా
చెప్పుకోలేరా?
బయలుదేరుతుండే కదా.
అదే డైట్ నీకోసం బ్యాక్ టు రెగ్యులర్.
సూపర్ స్ట్రిక్ట్.
ఎంత పెరిగా? 3 పెరిగావు కదా?
3 1.5 is water weight.
నేను అడిగానా 3 పెరిగావు అన్నాడు. అండ్ పునుగులు బాగా తింటున్నావు గ్యాప్ లో. హీఈస్ లీవింగ్ బట్ వీఆర్ గోనా చిల్. ఏంటి ఏం జరుగుతుంది? చూసాం షూస్. We just chilled at Chaitanya's place for a short while. Talked about the trip experiences. It's been almost 2 weeks since we met them, so it was a good time catching up. Yeah, didn't do much today. Wanted to buy an AC to replace the one in my bedroom. It's been 17 years since I've had a Samsung AC, and it worked well, but every year I was just refueling the gas in it and doing some minor repairs. But I think the compressor is gone now, so probably need to buy a new AC. If you have any recommendations, let me know in the comment section. And besides that, I got the COVID test done too, so the results should come tomorrow. And if you're new to this channel, trips are just one part of the series, and I think the North India Ride series is done with this video. But stay tuned for exciting videos coming up next week. We have a lot more to cover on the EV front. Lot of news that happened, lot of events that happened in the last 2 weeks, and I would love to share you some insights. So stay tuned for that, and in case, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.